What if the sun collapsed into a black hole? It's a scenario that sounds like the stuff of science fiction nightmares. Black holes are among the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe, capable of warping time and devouring everything in their path. But what if our very own sun, our life-giving star, turned into one? Let's break it down. Could the sun actually collapse into a black hole? First, let's clear up a big misconception. The sun can't naturally collapse into a black hole. Black holes form from the death of massive stars, at least 20 times the mass of our sun. When these stars run out of nuclear fuel, their immense gravity causes their cores to collapse, creating a black hole. Our sun, however, is a relatively small star. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, shed its outer layers, and settle into life as a white dwarf, a dense but harmless stellar remnant. No black holes involved, but let's imagine the impossible. What if the sun suddenly collapsed into a black hole anyway? Step 1. The collapse. If the sun somehow bypassed the laws of physics and collapsed into a black hole, it would shrink into an object just a few kilometers wide. Despite its tiny size, this black hole would retain the sun's current mass, around 333,000 times that of Earth. The result? The gravitational pull near the black hole would be incredibly intense, but from a distance it wouldn't actually change. Earth and the other planets would continue orbiting the black hole just as they currently orbit the sun, at least for a while. Step 2. Say goodbye to sunlight. One immediate consequence: no more sunlight. With the sun gone, Earth would be plunged into darkness. Within a week, surface temperatures would drop below freezing. Within a year, the oceans would freeze over, leaving only the deepest thermal vents as sources of liquid water. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would cease, collapsing the food chain and leading to mass extinctions. Humanity might survive temporarily with artificial light and energy sources, but long-term survival would be nearly impossible. Step 3. Gravitational effects near the black hole. The black hole's gravity wouldn't instantly pull Earth in, but its presence would alter the space around it. If an object got too close, say a comet or asteroid, it would be caught in the black hole's gravitational pull and spaghettified. Yes, spaghettification is the real term for what happens when an object is stretched into thin strands by extreme gravitational forces. The event horizon, the point of no return, would mark the boundary where anything that crosses is forever lost to the black hole's singularity. Step 4. Long-term effects on the solar system. Over time, the lack of sunlight and the black hole's gravitational influence could destabilize the orbits of planets. They might slowly drift away into the vastness of space, becoming rogue planets. The orderly solar system we know would unravel into chaos. Could humanity survive? If humanity somehow had advance warning of the sun's collapse, we might prepare by building underground or space-based habitats. We could rely on nuclear energy, geothermal heat, or even fusion reactors to sustain life. Another option might be to seek refuge on moons or planets farther from the black hole's influence, perhaps using advanced propulsion systems to escape the solar system altogether. But realistically, even with the best technology, surviving without the sun would be an unprecedented challenge. The cosmic perspective. In the grand scheme of the universe, a black hole in place of the sun wouldn't be unusual. Our Milky Way galaxy is home to millions of black holes, some of which are remnants of long-dead stars. In fact, at the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*, which is over 4 million times the mass of our sun. Black holes play a significant role in shaping galaxies and even the universe itself, but their presence is a stark reminder of how fragile life is. Why we're lucky. The sun is stable, reliable, and perfectly suited to support life on Earth. It's neither massive enough to form a black hole nor small enough to burn out prematurely. It's been shining for 4.6 billion years, and it has billions more to go. This thought experiment highlights just how special and precarious our place in the universe is. What if the sun collapsed into a black hole? Thankfully, it's a scenario we'll never have to face. But contemplating the impossible helps us appreciate the incredible balance of forces that make life possible. Stay curious, stay inspired. Thanks for watching.